Going on today's episode, smoked pit potatoes. I know it's been a minute, but we're gonna start with some bacon again. So get it on your sheet pan so we can get it in the oven so we can get it crispy. And then you just put it in your oven. I cook my bacon at 420 degrees until it's crispy. You wanna start with washed potatoes, and we're gonna cube them up. We're going to parboil them before we put them on the smoker. Nothing fancy, you guys, just cube them, big or little. I like my skins on. I have 10 potatoes. You can use red potatoes or you can just use your russets, whatever you prefer. If they're bigger, use 4. If they're not as big, use 5. I'm doubling the recipe, so I have 10. Gotta feed a crowd, you know me. And the potatoes are done, so let's start assembling everything. I do have my smoker turned on outside to 300 degrees, so that way we can get that warmed up. You want to spray down your pan. All sides, every edge. Get it, hit it. I boiled the potatoes for about 7 to 10 minutes. They're perfect. Remember, we're just parboiling them, so then they're gonna cook the rest of the way in the smoker. Lay those down. And I doubled the recipe, remember that. 1 block of cream cheese. Oops. 1 block of cream cheese. 1 container sour cream. I did 3 diced jalapeños and they are deseeded. 1 stick of butter. Throw her on in there. It's gonna get nice and melty outside when we put her in. We're gonna go down with an Infidel Rub from Grill Your Ass Off. It's a great company, by the way. No, not sponsored. However, all their seasonings are amazing and it's veteran owned. We're gonna leave this as is. We're gonna go throw it on the smoker, and in about 10 minutes we should be able to mix everything together. Now that my smoker's up to heat, let's throw everything on. We're gonna let this go. In 10 minutes, we're gonna check it, mix everything together. And then in a half hour, then we throw on bacon, green onions, and cheese. Let's check on it. It's been 10 minutes. Let's see how it's doing. All right, I don't know if you can see this, but she's looking beautiful. We're going to mix everything together. Now we let her go for another 20-25 minutes. Our bacon was done out of the oven. We're gonna get to chopping so we can add it to our taters. It's crispy. It's delicious. It's bacon. I think if bacon had a theme song, what would it sound like? It's just the weird thoughts in my head sometimes. All right, we'll just set this here until we're ready to add it. And I gotta get my cheese ready. I'm using pre-shredded cheese. It is a Cheddar and Jack blend. 20 minutes is up. Let's check everything to see how it's going. Oh my gosh, those look good. Hot. But we wanna add our bacon and our cheese. So add all that in. And then 4 cups of cheese. That looks right. Mix it all up. All right, then we let it go for another half hour and then she's done. All right, we're gonna check it and see how it's looking. Oh, she looks good. Really cheesy. These smell and look killer. One last thing before we dive in. I got the green onions I pre-chopped up. Let's sprinkle, make it look pretty. Oh, it smells good. Okay, I think that'll do it. Looks good. But now that I'm forked up, let's taste it. I want some bacon. That way we can get a little bit of everything. Very good, very cheesy. I do think I could have put a little bit more seasoning in there. I was a little skeptical because I thought I over-seasoned it because of the cheese and everything else that was in there. But it could definitely use a little bit more seasoning. Fortunately, I'm a little too late now, but it still does have really good flavor. You can definitely taste the smokiness to it, which I'm super glad because that's what I was going for. So it's kind of like a take on like a warmer potato salad. I'm sure it will be asked for again in the upcoming season for barbecue. So I'm so glad I started with this one. Please do give it a try. Like, comment, and subscribe. And the recipe will be down in the description below. Thank you for sticking around today. And I got to get myself to this barbecue or I'm going to be late, y'all. Bye. Oh, the pan.